we are looking at how to pronounce these words as well as how to say more confusing words in English that many mispronounce. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning. So how do you say it? Well, it's a tricky one, that one. It's actually pronounced 3 different ways. Now, in British English, it is often pronounced as capsule, capsule, with a sh sound for some reason. Capsule, capsule, stress on the first syllable. Now, in British English, again, it is also sometimes said as capsule, capsule, so with an S sound and a U sound, capsule. Now, in American English, it is generally said as capsule, capsule. So that's capsule, that's all. So, capsule, capsule, or capsule. And now, you know it all. I think. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thanks for your support. Like it at least, it helps me a lot. More videos for you here on how to pronounce more interesting words and names that many get confused by. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.